Hey guys, it's 2015, day 145. Just an update on where the trades are at today. So, looking at the Euro US dollar first, I'm looking to sell off the breakout of the current market here. So it looks like it's trending down. We've got the MACDs to also support it. If we go down to the excuse me, the 4 hourlies as well, there's also a bit of an inside bar action. So there's a bit of a breakout from there as well, so that's looking good. So I might short that soon, or short that shortly, if you will. No movement on the Great British Pound US dollar. I'm not quite sure where it's going to go. It looks like there's a bit of a fakie up there of the inside bar, so it looks like it's kind of come down, but it hasn't quite penetrated the bottom side of the inside bar, so I'm not sure which way that's going to go, so I'm just going to leave that for now and just see what happens. The US dollar Swiss, so it looks like it's breaking up a little bit higher, so I think I'll just wait for it to sort of hit that resistance line and then see what happens. So I'm suspecting it'll just kind of bounce back down the other way, so I'll just leave that one for now. The US dollar yen, so this is quite interesting. So we can see that it's kind of touched up that on that resistance line. So it's touched that resistance line. This will be the third time now, and I'm looking to sell it. So we've got a nice inside bar right on that line there, and it's already sort of gone out from there. But in another hour and a half, we can sort of know for sure whether it's going to continue down or up, or whether it's going to be a fakie or not. So it could go the other way and go north, which would be interesting since there's a bit of a ceiling at the moment, as you can see if we zoom all the way out. So it hasn't been this high since 2011, so it's looking quite good to maybe just retrace back down or just oscillate in between that range there. Euro Great British Pound, so we can see that it's in that sort of support range there, so it looks like it's going to reverse. There's not really a strong price action movement here at the moment. We could call that a pin bar at the moment, but there's nothing definitive at this point, so I actually should add in some of my indicators, which I normally do have, but I don't seem to have done it for this particular one. So let me just sort this out. Cool. So yep, there looks like some inside bars there, but yep, for this one I'm just waiting at the moment. Australian dollar US dollar, so probably looking to sell this, but given the MACDs are going in that direction, the daily looks like it's going in that direction, 4 hourly looks like it's going in that direction, but there's not really a clear price action movement. I mean, there is an inside bar there and it did break out, but you don't trade all inside bars, so just waiting to see what happens there. The euro yen, it looks like it's also going south, so it is touching on that short-term support there. So there's not really a clear, I suppose, bias as to which way it was going to go. But if it does break through that short-term support, then we'll be looking to sell. New Zealand US dollar, so I'm not trading this at the moment, but it does look like it's gonna, there's a fakey inside bar there. Not really too many days of inside bars, but I'm guessing it's just gonna sort of hit that support line there and maybe bounce back up. So that's where I think it's going to head. US dollar, Canadian dollar, so it looks like it's there's a bit of support there on that line, and it's bouncing up towards that resistance line there, but yeah, that looks like it's going in that direction, so it looks like it's going up. Australian New Zealand dollar, so it looks like it's hit that ceiling of resistance, and it does look like it's kind of trending back down at the moment, so it does look like it's retraced a little bit, but I'm keeping an eye out on the New Zealand to Aussie dollar, or the Aussie to Kiwi, I should say. New Zealand dollar yen, so it doesn't look like there's a clear trade for me there. I'm not a big fan of this one. Aussie dollar yen, again, it's probably going to be a sell down to that support line. Great British Pound Canadian, so again, it looks like it's just around that hit that sort of resistance line, so it doesn't look like it might go down, but the MACDs don't currently support that, so it does look like it's going to be a buy at the moment. And the Euro Canadian, does look like it's going to trend down and maybe hit that support line there and maybe bounce back up. But at the moment, there's no clear trade, but this is more like an impulse trade, I would say, as opposed to an actual, here's a bit of analysis and this is actually the correct way to go. So I might make this on a demo account just in case. But that's it for today. And I might make an update video after I actually make the trades.